For demonstration purposes, we're going to call the brown yarn yarn number 1 and the gray yarn yarn number 2. So to attach yarn, you're going to take yarn number 1 and loop it over yarn number 2, and you're going to make a knot so it's attached on there. Now once you've done that, you're going to take yarn number 2, which you should have the top of the strand of yarn there, and you're going to simply do the same thing over yarn number 1. You're just making a knot. Now when you're finished making your second knot, you're pretty much good to go. You take it either side of yarn 1 and 2, and you're just going to pull, like opposites attract in this situation. So pull it, you have your knots together, and it's unbreakable. Well, if you cut it like or something or burn it, it'll break, but for your crochet purposes, it'll be a-okay. Now what I do, and you're gonna have to do to make it nice and neat, I just take a pair of scissors and I cut the tails. Try to get as close to the knot as you can, because you're gonna feel that little knot when you're crocheting, but hopefully you can find a way to work around it. That's why I try my best to make it perfect. And now you've successfully attached two strands of yarn together, whether it's for color changing or you needed to cut some of your skein because of tangle and attach it. Whatever you needed to do, you've just fixed it, and I'm so proud of you.